Tree man gonna make a killing out here, man. Tree man gonna make a killing. Careful coming through these zones. This shit. Man, it's fucking big ass birds. Y'all see that? God damn. Look at this shit. That's a big ass bird. It's right there. God damn. Somebody finna get paid. Look at this shit, y'all. Look at this shit. This shit too off of that motherfucker. Too much weight. Get away from her. Man, it's gonna be a lot of work, man. The city messed up right now. It's gonna take a lot. Look at all this. Imagine all this in every neighborhood in Memphis, dog. Look at this, y'all. This shit's serious. Look at this shit, man. City fucked up. Got all that weight on that tree. This shit gonna come down, bro. This shit serious, fam. Real talk. I'm finna just ride through and show y'all some damage through this joint, you know what I'm saying? Let y'all know this shit ain't no game out here, man. The city messed up, for real. This little ice shit ain't no game. You gotta be careful. All that is ice on that shit. There's ice on the trees. Froze over. It's icicles all over the trees, dog. The weight on that shit making the tree branches fall down. This shit dangerous as hell. This shit can fall on somebody's car. They fall on somebody, you know what I'm saying? This shit serious. Fall on their house. I seen cars. I'm finna ride through the other block. I seen cars, man, in apartments. I'm talking about fucked up. People gonna be making mad insurance claims. Look at this, y'all. Show y'all. Show y'all what's going on. Look at all that debris. Trees. They fall down off these branches. Shit, serious. You gotta be careful. Trees. Look at that. Y'all see that shit? This shit's serious. People finna get a client. Look at this shit, man. Think they worry about that? Hell nah, I wouldn't. I be smoking good as hell. Like, okay. Y'all know what's going on. Damn. Telling y'all, bro. That big ass tree that fell in over there. Damn, it look like it hit somebody's shit. Dang. What the fuck? Fam. traffic. Let me get up now. Be careful with this shit, y'all. City got a paycheck, boy. Real talk. Pay up. Pay up, boy. I throw some debris on my damn car. Oh God. Like, hey. You know what I'm saying? Come disperse that bread. Hey, I ain't gonna cap. I'll be throwing branches on my shit, taking pictures like a motherfucker. Insurance claim like a motherfucker. The whole hood finna get paid. Oh God.